We've made it! It's Friday. Hopefully you've had a good working week, whether it's nailing that presentation, clicking upload on that project, or tearing through that epic to-do list. Now it's time to celebrate with some healthy treat food to help get you into that weekend mood. Kickstart the Friday feeling with those big-time breakfast favourites, pancakes. These are made of bananas, oatmeal and eggs for a quick, light grab-and-go brekkie for a busy working morning. There's nothing better or more comforting than the humble potato, or spud as we call them in Ireland. Nutritious, cheap and easy to make, they're the perfect relaxed lunch for a chill afternoon, especially with some homemade baked beans on top. It's 5 p.m. Hopefully that means you can shut off the laptop, put down the phone and start planning a little weekend fun. And what's more fun than pizza? If you'd like a lighter alternative to the takeaway options, just pop your favourite ingredients onto a whole wheat wrap for crispy, cheesy pizza perfection. Happy weekend! Check out our special ebook for a full ingredient list and easy step-by-step instructions for making these simple, wholesome meals to help keep you healthy during your working week. Remember, Allianz Care's mission is to keep you well, whatever your working week looks like and wherever you are in the world.